Hi everyone, I just want to make a video just to show the basics of 3D drawing. So everyone has to start somewhere, but I would recommend you start with mastering 2D drawing in AutoCAD before you try to draw 3D, because most of your work is going to come from a 2D drawing, or you can build it out of basic objects that are included in the AutoCAD interface. But I'm going to show you just a few basic objects that are already in the AutoCAD interface. So first what you want to do is, you can see I have the drafting and annotation ribbon up here. So I want to switch the workspace to a 3D workspace, a 3D modeling workspace. So first of all, you can see the ribbon up here has changed quite a lot. There's a lot of new functions and new 3D tools that you can use. So I want to show you just a few basic objects just to get you started, how to draw it, how to rotate and control your view environment. So let's start with a box. So as it is at the moment, as you can see, I'm going to draw a square, but now it's asking, or it wants to have height as well. So it's not a 2D object anymore, it's going to need height as well. So I'm just going to type in 1 or 10 millimeters for now. So to see what I've just done, you can either click on this box here at the top, and you can rotate with that. And you can see it rotates. I feel it limits me. So what I'd like to do is, I like to hold down Control and the mouse wheel, so you can pan around, or you can glide around. And if you hold down Shift and the mouse wheel, you can rotate. So you can see the 3D object I've drawn there. It's just wireframe at the moment, so you can change that as well to display as a solid. And all you have to do is go up here where it says 2D wireframe, and you select realistic. So it's going to display the object as a realistic object. And as you can see, if you hold down Shift and the mouse wheel, you can rotate it and go around the object as you want to. Now, you can use the normal functions as well, like copy. It's a normal function that's in the 2D window as well. So CO, you type in CO, enter, and it will copy the object. Now you have to select object or point on the object. I'm just going to copy it to the side, and another one up there. Now I want to show you, if you zoom into one object and hold Shift, and the wheel is still going to stay there where you zoomed in. So if you want to rotate all of them, you're going to zoom out to get all of it in the view. So now if you select one of the objects and you hold Shift down and rotate, you're going to see, you're only going to see the object that you've selected. So that's just basic control of your window in the 3D environment. So if you want to draw, let's say, a cylinder, that's the exact same as drawing a circle, but you're going to add height as well. So let's say I want to pick that as my center point, and I'm going to draw it out. I want to make the radius 5 millimeters. Then I hit 5 and press enter. Now I want to give it height. Let's say I want to make it 10 as well. So there is a similar cylinder as well. So there's not a lot, but there's a few objects that AutoCAD gives you as base objects that you can work from. So in next video about 3D, I'll show you how to manipulate these objects that you already have. You can always, if you select the object, you see these little arrows. So you can click on those arrows and drag it out. But you can drag it out to a specific dimension. So let's say I want to make it 5 millimeters bigger in that direction. I type in 5, enter, and it makes it 5 millimeters bigger. Or I want to make it 5 millimeters higher. I just type in 5, enter. So that's one, well, quite an easy way to manipulate the object that's already in your screen. So I'll make a few more videos about 3D, the 3D environment, how to control the objects, the 3D objects. Thank you for watching. Bye.